Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at the exterior angles in a polygon. Okay, so previously we learned how to find the interior angles. So for example, on the triangle here, for a regular triangle, so an equilateral triangle, you would have been able to find out that all these angles were 60 degrees. Okay, now to draw on an exterior angle, all we do is, I tend to go clockwise, is we just continue the lines on just in one direction, and then this small angle here is the exterior angle. Okay, now as you can see, this is a straight line, and we should know from previous years that angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So if this is 60, you just take 60 away from 180 to find this one, and that gives us 120. Okay, so all of them are the same because it's a regular polygon. Okay, so we have three angles of 120 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them all up. And whenever I add them all up, I get 360 degrees. Okay, so let's just remember that the exterior angles in a triangle add up to 360 degrees. Let's look at our next shape. So we've got a quadrilateral, in this case a regular one, which is a square. We should all know that the angles in a square are all 90 degrees. So let's now find the exterior ones. Okay. Again, they're also 90 degrees because 90 plus 90 is 180. So we've got four angles that are 90 degrees. Let's just do 90 times 4. Well, that also gives us 360 degrees. Okay. See a pattern starting to form here. And let's do our last one. Here we have a pentagon. Now, if we had done our formula, n minus 2 times by 180, whereby n was the number of sides, so it would have been n minus 2 is 3 times 180. Okay, so that gave us 540. But that would have been the sum of all the angles in this pentagon. But to find the size of each small one inside, we'd do 540 divided by 5, which is 108. So that's the interior angles. We've covered that already. That means all these are 108 degrees. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend the lines on. Always go one direction. And we'll measure the exterior angles. So they add up to 180. 180 take away 108 gives me 72. And let's see what they all add up to. So 72 times 5 is again 360 degrees. Okay, it doesn't matter how many sides the polygon's got. Okay, if you want to find out, the angles always add up to 360 on the outside. So if you want to find out how many sides a shape's got, so let's say what the angles are in a, say, a 7-sided shape, you just do 360 divided by 7, and that will tell you the angle, the exterior angle on a 7-sided shape. If you wanted to know in a 10-sided shape, it'd be 360 divided by 10, and that would tell you the exterior angle in a 10-sided shape. Okay, so our little formula, I suppose if you want to write it down properly, is the exterior angle equals 360 divided by the number of sides. Okay, and that's all you need to remember for today, guys. Okay, that was quite an easy one, I think. All the best now, good luck.